everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute someone's message in Grindr. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grindr application. Click on the inbox option in the bottom section of your screen. Now tap and hold on the message that you want to mute. Click on the bell icon with a cross in the top section of your screen. So that is how you can mute someone's message in Grindr. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.